Hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and this is chapter Ways to Online. Friends, this is second video of this video series named Business Management. And in today's video, I will show you how you can capture business data or collect business data, and utilizing that, how you can take informed decision. You can use that for budgeting, for forecasting, and also you can use that for improving experience of your customer and also to engage your customers. And as always, you can use the same for your personal life also. For example, managing financials of your family. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then just a request, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that we get some encouragement and you don't miss our upcoming videos. And this is very important for creators or content makers like us. So please subscribe, share, and at the end of the video, if you like this video, please press the like button. So let's get started. The first point is which tool to use to collect data. Data collection tool selection depends on the purpose or end utilization of your data. So think that beforehand, before selection of any tool, because if you randomly select any tool and at the end you come to know that the format that tool has used to collect data cannot be used for the purpose you have collected that data, then your data will be redundant. Let's give you an example of one of my beneficiaries named Regular Relations. Once they approached to me to seek my suggestion in selection of their accounting package. So I analyzed their business and suggested Zoho. They were very excited to implement that, but eventually they did not implement that because their auditor who prepares their financial report only knows about Tally. And it was come to know that if data is provided in any other format, then that will create problem for that auditor and delay in publishing financial reports. So they have not implemented that Zoho but continued Tally. I appreciated their decision of not taking my suggestion, because if they would have implemented new accounting software, then the collected data would have been redundant. So carefully select your tool so that collected data can be utilized for the purpose they were collected. Now the second point and the most important point is security of your data. So there are so many free tools available, but you should not forget about the security of your data. Your data should not fall on your rival's hand and should not be utilized or should not be used in such a way so that it misuses data of your clients or customers, because that may lead not only to business loss but also penalty and imprisonment. So very carefully you should choose your data collection tool. Now the third point is the purpose of data collection. Now you have a business, you know which tool to use, but for which purpose you will collect data? Well, it's not tricky. The purpose varies from business to business, but the primary objective should be improving customer satisfaction or customer experience and engaging them. Also, you can use data collection to empower your employees, to improve your business process, or to transform your business. In this video, I have focused on improving customer experience and engaging them. But before drilling down any further, let me give you some real life examples which will make this tutorial more clear to you. If you have ever used Ola, Uber or Swiggy, then you might have seen that after delivery, companies ask for your rating and how you have experienced their service. They want to know. If you had ever wanted to know how they use that data, then watch this video till end, because not only you will learn what they do from that, but beside that you will also be able to create such thing for your own business. And at the same time you will see how the front end and the back end of those database looks like. So go to my desktop and let's check it out. So here is a typical example of a customer feedback form of a food delivery company, and if we observe this form carefully, then we will see that this form is divided into three sections. The first section is asking you about your experience about the restaurant or the food, and the second portion is asking your experience about the delivery and the delivery boy. There is another section which covers if you have anything which in this form you don't see and if you want to provide them. So now furthermore they have provided some sub questions or sub queries which will inform them the reason behind your rating. That means if you have given 1, then why 1, why 2, and if you have given 5, then why you have given 5. So though this is completed in only one page, but this is very strong tool to get information which will be very relevant for their business decision making. Now let me show you how collected data through this form, or how your data which you have provided through this form looks like at the back end. So this was front end. Now I am showing you the back end of the data. So this is the back end of the data. Our provided input or collected input from all the customers are gathered in this form, and this is the back end. Now from this database, I believe you have understood or you are thinking that how to take decision from this data. It looks similar, everything is looking similar, and what to understand and what to determine from this. Then yes, you are correct. From this raw data you cannot take any decision easily. There is another step after collection of data and before taking decision, and that is data arrangement or formatting your data, which is very important because formatting of your data will make your data more easy to read, understandable, and apart from that, one more benefit is there arranging data, and that is creation of graphical representation. That means creation bar chart, pie chart, and all those things. Now if you don't understand what is it about arranging data, then I will give you example of pivot table. Pivot table is a very useful tool which I believe most of us have used, available in Excel, also available in Google Sheets, and with that we can create arrangement, we can create various tables for better understanding of raw data and creation of this bar chart and pie chart and all those things. Now see what's the difference between raw data and arranged data. The next image will show you two tables. The first table, which is at the left, is raw data, which I had shown just before, and the right table is arranged data. Here I have prepared a table which is showing the sum of total ratings provided to various delivery boy of that company, and here we can see that Joseph is having highest ranking. Now I'll show you, if you don't organize or don't arrange your data, then how the graphical representation looks like. So the next image is showing a bar chart created from raw data, and I'm sure that you will agree that this chart or this image will tell nothing. We don't understand anything from this. That's the reason we should organize the data before taking decision, or rather before creation of graphical representation. And in modern days, graphical representation of data is very, very important. I will tell you how you can create a tool for your business and do all these things and take informed decision. Well, there are so many options available, so many tools available. Some are free, some are paid, but I use Google Form and I use Google G Suite because of all those things which is required for a business, starting from security, then customer support and all those things. And the reason behind I use Google Form in this is Google Form automatically create this graphical representation, creates pie chart, creates bar chart. You need not to organize your data. And I have a separate video where I have shown how you can create this type of tool and take customer feedback. If you want to create such, then check out the above link and also the description of this video. Now, let's see how to take decision from this data. Let me show you what I have done with that raw data. Like the image right now in front of you are having 3 tables and 1 bar chart. The second table is clearly showing that restaurant Banana Bakery is having maximum rating, followed by all other restaurants. For example, Apple Eats, then Mango Bites, and all those restaurants. But the yellow highlighted 2 restaurants has got lowest rating. Now, if you want to know what's the reason behind this lowest rating, then the third table highlighted is portion size for eat and treat, and wrong and missing item causes the lowest rating for Hotel Rajan. Now pause for a moment and assume that all these restaurant belongs to you and you have observed that Eat and Treat and Hotel Rajan is not performing well and you don't have all this data and you need to take decision, then how difficult will it be to take decision? Maybe you are in restaurant business and for Eat and Treat you may think that the taste or the quantity may be disappointing customers and you may invest to improve those, but the actual reason is something else. And something may you apply for Hotel Rajan, but where the reason for customer disappointment was wrong or missing items, where the taste was good, the portion size was good, everything was good, but the wrong and missing item were the cause behind this low rating. So here comes the utilization of capturing business log, maintaining business log, taking customer survey, capturing or collection of data, analyzing that data for business decision making. Because without that, your investment will go to vain and your business growth will not be possible. And most importantly, your customer will not be satisfied. Now, use the other video which I had mentioned, create a tool, collect data and use and grow in your business. In my next video, I will show you how you can use Lean and Six Sigma. After finding out your improvement area, how you can work on them and how you can use those Six Sigma and Lean to improve your business and satisfy your customer and grow in your life. Also, you can use the same in your personal life. Now, it's time to wrap up. Let's see what we have learned. So, we have learned 7 wonderful things, or I can say 7 wonders of data collection and informed decision making. And those are, first, we have learned how to select appropriate tool to collect business data. Second, importance of data security. Third, purpose of data collection. Fourth, front and back end of data. Fifth, how to create your own customized tool for data collection. Sixth, how to arrange collected data. And seventh, how to take informed decision from business data. I hope that you liked this video. If so, then please press the like button and share this to your friends and family members who are in need of this. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because that gives us encouragement, which is very important for content creators like us. And at the end, I would like to mention that if there is will, then there is ways to online. And if you want to read this transcript of this tutorial, then visit www.waystoonline.com. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.